If you're running low on cloud space or simply want more room for your files and memories, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your OneDrive storage in 2025 quickly, securely, and with total confidence. Whether you need more space for photos, documents, or collaboration, I'll guide you through every step so you never have to worry about running out of room again. Let's get started. First, the fastest way to upgrade your OneDrive is through the web. So open your favorite browser, any will do, and head to OneDrive.com. You'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is usually the same email and password you use for Outlook or other Microsoft services. If you have multiple accounts, be careful to choose the one where you want the extra storage. You don't want to accidentally upgrade the wrong one. Take a moment here, and if you're prompted to verify your identity, that's just Microsoft keeping your files safe. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, that's the settings menu. If you're on a smaller screen or a tablet, you might need to tap a tiny button to see this, but it's always up there on the top right. Click on this gear icon. Settings can feel overwhelming sometimes, but here's a tip. You're looking for the section called Upgrades. It might be called Plans and Upgrades or just Upgrade depending on your account. The wording is straightforward, but if you don't see it right away, give the menu a moment to load or scroll just a bit. Microsoft sometimes rearranges these labels. After clicking, you'll see the available OneDrive plans. Here, where you choose what suits your needs. Maybe you're an individual just looking to save a few more photos and you only need Microsoft 365 Basic, or maybe you have a family that wants to share hundreds of gigabytes. There's the family plan for that. Take a moment to review what each plan offers. More storage, extra features like Office apps, and sometimes even additional security tools. If you feel unsure, hover over the info icons or click for more details. It's totally normal to double-check what you're getting, and choosing the right plan now can save you headaches later. Now, once you've picked your ideal plan, go ahead and click Buy Now. At this stage, you'll add your payment method. Most people use a debit or credit card, and Microsoft's payment process is pretty secure, so you don't need to worry about your information. If you've made digital purchases before, this will feel familiar, but even if not, just follow the prompts. If you already have a card saved, you can simply confirm. Otherwise, add new details. Take your time here, it's better to double-check than rush. Finally, review your purchase one more time. Make sure the plan, the account, and the payment details are all correct. When you're sure, hit confirm. In most cases, your extra storage will be added almost instantly. Sometimes, it may take a few moments to show up, especially if Microsoft servers are busy, so don't panic if you don't see the new space right away. Just refresh the page after a minute or two. And that's it, you've just upgraded your OneDrive storage. Now you'll have the peace of mind that comes with more space for all your important files, photos, and projects. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into snags, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials on tech, cloud storage, and much more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.